Here I have iPhone 8 and let me show you how to add the fingerprint protection on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Then let's find and select the settings right here. Afterwards, you need to scroll down in order to find Touch ID and passcode. Here let's choose Add Fingerprint. You can read the information and let's touch the ID. Here I have your ID sensor. Let's tap Continue. Let's just start tapping a couple of times your scanner. You need to move your finger slightly between the scans, tap OK. And that's it. You can keep going to capture the edges of your print. Let me tap Continue. So to have the whole fingerprint saved, you can also touch the edges. Alright, Touch ID is ready. Let's tap Continue. Of course, you need to also create some kind of the passcode to have some backup method. In my case, let me use the most simple one, 1 2 3 4 5 6. As you can see, the information about the passcode pops up. So if you choose the passcode so easy as mine, you've got this information. In my case, let me use anyway. Of course, you need to do it again just for confirmation. And that's it. So now if you press the side button and you would like to use your device, you need to enter the passcode, or you can use your fingerprint. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.